Hi, and welcome to this presentation on Cloud 2.0, the trifecta of cryptocurrency. This presentation addresses what is Cloud 2.0, how does it work, who created it, and what's the benefits of being a free member. Well, the story begins in November of 2018 when Cloud 2.0's visionary Chief Technology Officer, Ronald was the winner of the prestigious 2018 Blockchain Innovation of the Year Award at the World Blockchain Forum in Shenzhen, China. At that event, many of the world's top crypto promoters and investors came together and began conceptualizing the next generation of a cashless payment platform using this new fourth-generation blockchain technology. Ronald who is the Chief Technology Officer of Bit Systems, began to formulate the possibility of a cryptocurrency pay platform, and Cloud 2.0 is built on the Bit Systems fourth-generation super-fast BBS blockchain that is on the Array blockchain. Now, this award-winning technology increases its speed as the number of transactions increase using the hashing power of users' smartphones. Now, Ronald has successfully built several new technologies for payment platforms, mobile wallets, smartphones, and blockchain technology during his last 25 years of working with large international companies such as Kodak and LG. So as of March, Ronald became the Chief Technology Officer for Cloud Token, which changed its name in September of 2019 to Cloud 2.0 for international compliance reasons. In fact, Cloud 2.0 is in the process of receiving a financial services license in Australia so they can transact as a global pay platform. Cloud 2.0's objective is to attract 100 million users using their unique reward system, which will help them achieve the goal of being one of the world's largest payment platforms, such as WeChat Pay in China. To give you an idea, WeChat Pay in China has over 900 million users. So, currently, Cloud 2.0 is incentivizing members to join their company by rewarding them between 6 and 12% growth results on their cryptocurrency stored in their Cloud 2.0 wallet every month. Further, Cloud 2.0 is significantly rewarding promoters millions of dollars of cryptocurrency to help them expand the company's reach. Cloud 2.0 has set a new standard of possibilities in owning, earning, and trading cryptocurrencies globally from the convenience of your mobile phone in privacy. In fact, each Cloud 2.0 account is private and does not require any personal information, no name, phone number, or email, giving users 100% privacy. KYCs are only required on accounts that would like to receive a global payment card. So let's review the three aspects of Cloud 2.0's app. Cloud 2.0 has created a trifecta for crypto enthusiasts, giving the individuals the ability to 1. Store, 2. Earn, and 3. Spend their cryptocurrency in a free private account on their mobile phone. Now, this is one of the first applications in the world to do so, which accounts for Cloud 2.0's extraordinary growth worldwide. In order to attract millions of members that would be needed to adopt and engage the payment platform, Cloud 2.0 combined its beta technology with the power of the Jarvis AI arbitrage trading technology. Now, the Jarvis AI arbitrage trading technology earns members 6 to 12% per month results on their cryptocurrency as they store and HODL their cryptocurrency on the Cloud 2.0 app. As Cloud 2.0 continues to create generous rewards for its members, it's begun an explosion of growth for the early adopters. In fact, the official launch of Cloud Token took place in Bangkok, Thailand on May the 12th, 2019, as thousands of crypto enthusiasts who followed the award-winning technology waited for its launch. Of course, in less than 3 months, 800,000 users have deposited over 600 million USDT of cryptocurrency in the Cloud 2.0 app in 145 countries worldwide. 80% of the Cloud 2.0 members are in China and Southeast Asia, with the global markets just being introduced now. There are 2 ways to participate in Cloud 2.0. One is as a Cloud 2.0 basic member, which gets you 6 to 12% per month results on your cryptocurrency. And 2 is as a Cloud 2.0 promoter, earning cryptocurrency through successful promotion. In an effort to expand rapidly, Cloud 2.0 offers promoters an aggressive incentive and compensation plan to encourage promoters to build Cloud 2.0 full-time. In fact, beginning promoters are producing somewhere between $50 and $300 of USDT per day in less than 60 days with just a part-time effort, producing exceptional results in their Cloud 2.0 accounts. Of course, professional promoters are producing $500 to $3,000 per day USDT results in less than 90 days as their commitment intensifies and their understanding increases. And of course, currently, the fastest world-class promoters have been able to generate, yes, $50,000 USDT per day in less than 50 days with a full-time professional effort. We have a video in our continuing education section on how they did that. I do encourage you to watch it. It's very compelling. So with that, let's go over the mechanics of how Cloud 2.0 works. So first, the trifecta of cryptocurrency is Cloud Token, and Cloud 2.0 has three primary parts. Number one, store, the ability to store multiple cryptocurrencies in one super wallet accessible anytime on your phone. Number two, earn, the ability to earn a monthly reward on your multiple cryptocurrencies using the Jarvis AI arbitrage trading robot. And of course, three, spend, the ability to spend and liquidate your cryptocurrency into other cryptocurrencies, traditional purchases, and eventually fiat money using their branded payment card. Now, the Cloud 2.0 Part 1 is store, and what we thought we'd do here is just show you a quick video demonstrating the super wallet live on a phone so you can have a sense of how powerful this really is. This is about 60 seconds of the app live.
Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to use the Cloud Token wallet. As you can see, there is a project manager section, there is the super wallet section over here. It currently supports holding Ethereum, USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, and TrueUSD. So what I want to do is choose any of those cryptocurrencies, for example Bitcoin, and you want to click on deposit and deposit Bitcoin into the wallet so that you can activate the Jarvis AI software with that Bitcoin. Okay, so once you do that, once you deposited Bitcoin into the wallet, what you want to do is click on projects and Jarvis AI, and you're going to choose the Bitcoin or any other of the coin that you have deposited to hold into this wallet to activate Jarvis AI. And you want to go ahead and click here and click on max and proceed. Once you've done that, you're going to activate the Jarvis AI very shortly and going to start receiving daily rewards in Cloud tokens.
And that's just a quick overview of how the actual app works. And of course, you'll be able to see it on your own phone. And that's part one, the super wallet, which is how to store. Next, we want to talk about how to earn. This is part two, which is Jarvis AI is a fully automated artificial intelligence, high frequency arbitrage trading system. It's a mouthful, I know. However, when Jarvis is connected to multiple crypto exchanges around the world, it produces high-frequency hedging transactions within a few tenths of a second, capitalizing on the delays in pricing from the exchanges. With a 99.9% accuracy, Jarvis trades 24 hours a day, producing positive micro rewards in members' accounts automatically and daily. And this is actually, you'll see the phone over here on the far side, a video of what it will look like when you actually start receiving rewards. You'll actually be able to see the daily transactions and you can track them in a transparent fashion. Now, we've connected with Ronald I and asked him to produce a video that explains how the robot trades live on the largest exchange in the world, which is Binance. And here's just a quick 25-second video that shows you the power of the robot attached to one of the world's largest crypto exchanges.
Okay, hi guys. Actually, I've promised you guys to actually show you the Binance trading platform here, together with our bot running side by side. So now the bot has been running, and it actually captured the price, okay, which you can see here. The reason we are able to do this is because we're actually using the API keys from Binance.
And that's just a brief overview. Of course, there is a full 6-minute video that explains the transparency, the live trading. He goes into more detail there. And we encourage you, if you have an interest in this, it's important that you see it. We believe that transparency is the key. In fact, Cloud 2.0 trade results are transparent and are verifiable by Etherscan.io. This is a third-party tracking software for blockchain. Now, every transaction in your account can be traced and tracked transparently. When people ask us, how do you know this is true? How do you know it's not a Ponzi? Well, we can actually track every single transaction from the beginning to the end. And of course, the amount of transparency that Ronald I is sharing with people is incredible. Here's just a couple of screenshots from his personal Facebook account reporting. You can see here, that's $145 million of Bitcoin that he was sharing and showing everybody he was trading on the Binance exchange. So again, transparency is the key. So you have that confidence that this is truly a unique and a powerful trifecta in cryptocurrency. So the final part, of course, is a spin. And you can see a video that's running here on the far side. And this is them using, in Malaysia only, the Cloud token demo card. And of course, Cloud 2.0's goal is to establish a globally branded payment card that has transaction everywhere in the world using the stored crypto assets in your super wallet. Now you can see she's typing in here how much cash she'd like to receive, and of course it's going out to get that. Now currently you can exchange your Cloud tokens into Ethereum and liquidate your Ethereum into other cryptocurrencies or into fiat money or the money that's in your current country. As Cloud 2.0 expands its community to millions of members around the world that earn, exchange, and spend their CTOs, it increases the probability of success in creating a global adoption of the Cloud 2.0 branded payment card. And you can see here she's actually received the cash, she's getting a receipt, the receipt's coming in, and you can also see it's a Citibank, which is obviously a very large international bank, obviously out of America, and there she is with the Cloud token card. And there you are with the complete transaction. Now, again, this is only in Malaysia. After October 5th, that's at the next national convention, they will be releasing these cards to be used around the world globally. And again, in the new year, 2020, they'll be introducing them to everyone globally around the world. So super excited about this. This is part 3, spending your cryptocurrency with the Cloud 2.0 global payment system. So that is a trifecta, the trifecta of cryptocurrency. The ability to store in a super wallet, which is 8 different cryptocurrencies, to earn on all 8 of those cryptocurrencies at the exact same time using an arbitrage technology, and the ability then to take all the cryptocurrencies that you've been rewarded with and literally spend them on a payment platform. It's just an incredible concept, and grateful to be a part of the Cloud 2.0 movement. So traditional people, by nature, average people, go to major cryptocurrencies and they use the classic buy and HODL strategy. HODL stands for hold on for dear life, hoping to buy low and sell high. And really, this is an amateur's choice for results. And I get that, this is what most of us know how to do to get the results. Of course, Cloud 2.0 represents an exceptional alternative to the classic buy and HODL model with their Jarvis AI trading technology, which creating reward for their members with just their dormant cryptocurrency. If it's just sitting in Binance or Coinbase or Kraken or any one of the large cryptocurrency exchanges, you're like, it's just doing nothing. It's sitting there. Why not capitalize on that? Storing multiple cryptocurrencies in your Cloud wallet offers you the advantage of earning daily rewards as you HODL your cryptocurrency on their platform. So what does it take? Well, currently you can register in Cloud 2.0 as a free member using the recommended amount of 1,000 USDT. This provides a very strong assurance that the Jarvis AI trading bot will produce excellent results for you as you get comfortable with the technology. Now, a single Cloud 2.0 account will produce a monthly result between 6 and 12%, depending on Jarvis's production for your account. And I made a quick asterisk which said that monthly results vary from account to account due to the random returns generated by Jarvis, because it's going in and out of the exchanges at hyper speeds, and it's giving micro rewards to every account, which of course gives that randomness, but its average is somewhere between 6 and 12%. Now let's review the rewards of becoming a promoter of Cloud 2.0, and that gets very exciting from here on in. So currently, to earn rewards as a promoter, you have to begin first of all with a funded wallet, and let's just use the example of 1,000 USDT in any of the available available cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. So here's what happens. Let's say, for example, you choose to introduce this to a friend, an associate, someone you know, and we'll call that 1A. And that's a person that you know that takes a look at it. Now, they're going to get involved and do the same thing that you did, which is fund their wallet with 1,000 USDT of any one of the available cryptocurrencies. And here's what the company says. We will not pay you anything for the money that they bring in. However, we will match 100% of whatever their rewards are in their account. For example, if your person 1A earns 10% monthly rewards of 100 USDT on their $1,000 USDT deposit, you will also receive a match of their reward, which would be 100 USDT paid to you. This is known as a 100% matching bonus on people you work with directly. Now, let's say, for example, 1A speaks to 1B, and what that does is they say, well, we can't, again, pay you anything for the monies that they deposit, but we will, however, match 50% of whatever their account makes. So in this example, if your person 1B earns 10% monthly rewards of 100 USDT on their 1,000 USDT deposit, then you also receive 50% match of their reward, which would be 50 USDT paid to you. Now, in order for you to unlock the level 2 bonus, you must have 2 directly referred people registered to you. So you get paid for each level. So if you want to get paid 2 levels down, you need to have 2 people. If you want to get paid 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 levels down, then you need to actually personally refer people to the program. This is known as personally sponsoring or directly referring. Now, they have a really great formula. It says at 15 levels, they pay you 15 levels down. However, if you get to 16 direct referrals, they'll unlock the maximum number of levels, which is 21 levels. So the people that you work with directly is known as your unilevel, that's your direct referrals, and the people in depth is known as your multi-level, the multiple layers all the way down to the 21st level. Now, the minimum balance that must be maintained in everyone's account for all of these bonuses to be paid is 500 USDT, and that needs to be there for the qualifying bonuses. But you can see that this can get incredibly rewarding as you teach and speak and share as a promoter of Cloud 2.0. Now, this is the first level of rewards. Interesting enough, this is actually the small rewards. The larger rewards come when you become what we call a ranked promoter. And I want to walk you through this really quickly because this is incredibly powerful and life-changing, to be quite honest. So let's talk about it. First of all, let's take into consideration that you're choosing to be a professional promoter. You really want to go out, share this with many people as possible, and it starts to really grow. Let's say, for example, your total volume underneath you is 200,000 USDT of cryptocurrency. What happens is the company recognizes that volume flowing up from all the people that have a friend of the friend and all the people that you've introduced, and it begins to unlock what we call a C1 ranking, which means that your total business has over $200,000 of USDT in your account, and they pay you an extra 5%. However, the company was very strategic and they realized that, well, most people work in teams of 3. So what they did was they said, if you can get to C1, which is $200,000 of volume, perhaps you could teach that to others. So what they said was, we will get you to train and teach other people. Now, just before we jump into the results that will happen when you train others, let's talk about what happens to you at C1. At C1, the projected results are around 50 to 300 USDT per day in cloud token. Now, I don't need to explain to you, that's some pretty exceptional part-time income from this type of program. So you see that getting to C1 can be very lucrative. However, as I've mentioned, if you can actually train 3 teams to do that, this is where it gets very exciting. See, if you have 3 teams who hit C1, you actually become a C2. It's a very simple system. Help people do what you've done in 3 teams, and you'll get an additional 5% on their business, but you'll get a total of 10% extra on everyone outside of the C1s in your team. So that's a 10% override. And of course, the rewards, the projected results are somewhere between 500 and 3,000 USTD per day in CTO and Cloud Token. So I don't need to explain to you that this is very, very powerful and incredibly encouraging. And of course, people that get to this level truly experience life-changing incomes because obviously the results speak for themselves. However, imagine you decide to become really focused on this. 30, 60, 90, 120 days from now, you're really getting at this and you decide that you really want to target a very specific goal. Well, of course, C2 is amazing, but C3, now, I believe that's life-changing. What happens here is this: you become a person who trains 3 teams who get 3 teams, and now you move to a 15% extra override. Of course, you get 5% on your C2s, 10% on your C1s, and 15% on everyone else in your team that's not ranking at the C1 level and above. And of course, the rewards, well, let me share them with you, which is predicted results are somewhere between 10,000 and 25,000 USDT per day in Cloud Token. And this is life-changing money. And of course, needless to say, people who are getting to these levels are experiencing tremendous lifetime results. And of course, from there, there's only a few of them in the world, but there are individuals who are already in the last 3 to 4 months who've been involved in Cloud 2.0 now, who've been able to achieve the C4 position, which again, it just duplicates over again. Help 3 people hit C3 and you rank up, you get another additional 5%, which takes you up to 20% override on your entire business down through the different ranks. But here's what's interesting. Projected results for a C4 are between 40 and 75,000 USDT per day in Cloud Token. You know, you're talking about $1 million incomes per month at this point. Significant results. And again, only a few people around the world have done this. I believe about 10 have achieved that in the last 3 to 4 months as Cloud 2.0 has kind of taken its roots here in the growth. But there is only one person. I just share this with you. There's actually extraordinary results happening where there's actually currently an individual who just recently hit C5. They're qualifying at over 250,000 Cloud tokens per day. This is global income. This is not just great part-time, lifetime, or extraordinary income. This is global income. These individuals are world-class players and playing at an exceptional level. Now, I'm excited to share this information with you because you can choose somewhere between just getting a couple people involved back in our introductory program for unilevel and multi-level. Of course, you can also choose to become a rank promoter with really just a little bit of effort and focus. You can really achieve some exceptional results. So with that, let's just do a quick recap of why Cloud 2.0 is really quite an extraordinary offer. So first of all, the award-winning technology, 4th generation blockchain technology, this only exists because of this amazing new technology. Ronald a world-class CTO, he's intelligent. He's bringing the intelligence of this 4th generation blockchain to the opportunity. He's transparent. He's sharing, hey, this is how we're doing it. There's no hiding or cloaking things. Everything's trackable by third-party software. But the magic here is experience. He's been doing this for 25 plus years. He's done it for large international corporations around the world. This is not his first rodeo, and I'm grateful for that. Now, what's interesting is the combination of this technology with the Jarvis AI trading bot. It's producing transparent rewards from arbitrage trading. Many Forex traders know about this technology. They realize this is not new. It's just powerful when it's combined with the 4th generation beta systems blockchain. That's what makes it special. Now, what's great about it from a user standpoint is these are free, multiple cryptocurrency wallets, no membership fees. It's free to get involved. And again, no personal information required. You are operating in anonymity. When you do want to get a global pay card, of course, you'll get a KYC for your account and then set that up. But that's amazing that they're allowing that to happen. And of course, the fact that you're earning crypto rewards daily at 6 to 12% per month, these are just exceptional rewards and results. Of course, liquidity, the fact that as you're earning your Cloud token, it can be converted instantly into Ethereum anytime right there on your mobile phone. Of course, the significant compensation plan for promoters, I think you would agree with me that ranking between C1 and C5 is extraordinary and a huge opportunity. And that brings us to the last absolute reason why we're excited about Cloud 2.0, which is the world-class training and education from the next level cloud training. And I want to share with you that that's where my contribution comes in. I'm actually introducing the free next level cloud training training and super grateful to be able to serve the people internationally around the world that I work with our free introductory account. Again, you get yourself set up here. You'll just need to get the information filled in, and it will take you straight into this back office where what we do is take this exact presentation that you're viewing right now. You don't have to worry because it's literally loaded in the back office. In fact, you can go and click on this button and press play and hear it over and over again. We've got some brief explainer videos so that everything you need is right here, right now. In fact, what's great is that we actually have a full video training system on how to set up Cloud 2.0 on your mobile phone. So it takes about 5 minutes to watch that video, 2 minutes to learn how to deposit cryptocurrency, set up your Google Authenticators, about 4 minutes, document your information, 2 minutes, deposit funds into your account, 3 minutes, and then setting up your funds to operate on Jarvis AI, again, another 2-minute video. So super fast, super easy, effortless. You can follow along in the training videos that teach you how to do that. And again, for those of you who understand, listen, this is just the singular presentation. There's a ton of data that you're going to need to have on Cloud 2.0 just because you'll need to have more information. Of course, we've got a great 2-parter video here, one that's 6 minutes, one that's 5 minutes, a great 5-minute presentation here that's an explainer video that explains a compensation plan. For those of you, I realized I went a little quick through it, but you get to see it again. But the big one I want you to see, I call it the must watch, is Ronald I's overview on the technology, the security, the network security, the transparency, how the whole system works. In fact, at the end of that is him actually with a girl that's going into a shop, purchasing a bottle of water, walking up to the pay counter and actually paying. So just amazing transparency. The vision of this just extraordinary. And of course, I promised you that we were going to show you that $50,000 per day USDD in 50 days. And this is Paul McCarthy, and super grateful for him. He is a world-class professional networker. He's the fastest C4 in cloud tokens history. He did it in 60 days. And here's a guy who's on target for $100,000 a day in 100 days. And he talks about that in his video. And we encourage you. It's a 10-minute video, inspiring at every level. And then finally, for people who actually want to become a promoter, we actually encourage you to check out 3 major videos. One is the 5 levels of involvement, just to understand what your involvements will be and what the commitments will be. And then understanding the overview of building strategy, how to target your time and effort to get the highest and best results in the shortest period of time. And then actually beginning the cloud promoter steps of what we call the 4 levels defining, which is explore, plan, develop, and launch. And then we jump you straight into the actual training. So with that, super grateful. How do you get started? It's so easy. Get the 10-digit referral code from the person invited you. They will get you that code, and then what will happen is they'll take you to the App Store. You can download it if you have an iPhone OS, or if you want an Android, or you can download from Google Play. This is the actual Cloud token, or soon-to-be Cloud 2.0 website. As you know, they just changed everything. So this is where you go. And then finally, of course, you're going to need to get the next level cloud training site to get all the instructions and setup. So call the person who invited you. They will give you your special code that will get you into that training. It'll take you to this website, sign up for free, and in case take you straight in. And so with that, thank you so much for watching the Cloud 2.0 presentation. This is the trifecta of cryptocurrency. Have an amazing day.